Say, what's cracking, everybody? I'm making a video here in response to a few comments I got from people saying that their mouse is freezing on trying to play GeForce Now. The only way I was able to reproduce that error is by trying it in a virtual machine. So I'm going to show you right here that you don't even need the native app to play GeForce Now. So this is my main desktop right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Chromium. I'm going to use a Chromium browser. All right. I don't care about this message. And then I do have an extension. Where is that extension at? Go to extensions, manage extensions. My extensions, is it showing? I know I use an extension, but anyways, let me go to a user agent switcher. All right, user agent switcher, add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, and I'm going to pin it. All right, it's pinned up here now. So I'll click on it, and I'm going to click on Chrome default. All right, so now I'm using that extension. Now here, I'm going to go to GeForce. GeForce Now. You have to log in and everything. So once you're logged in, go to your NVIDIA account and play now. Okay, so right here from Play Now, I'm going to go to my Fortnite game. And I am not using the native app at all. I'm doing everything through the web browser. So make you lose yourself. You just have to, wait for these ads to play. And right here, you can say gamers ahead of you, and it shows 10. So once your slot is open, you'll be able to get in. But as you can see right here, it is going to show ads because I am using the free account. So I'll just pause the video now and wait till all my slots are used up so I can get in. Your gaming rig is ready. Let's go. All right, so now it's changed to a full screen mode, and you can see right here it is connecting. So we're ready to go. And this is just using the Chromium browser, not using the native app or nothing. All right, I'm going to click on play. And go to Battle Royale and play. So it's going to find a server. This will take about a minute. And we are in. Some Uzis. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press space to jump. And we're off. Let's crash into this thing real quick. Am I going to hit it? All right, so you can see it does work. So yeah, this is just using the web browser. So I'm going to return to lobby and I'm going to go ahead and exit now. But I just want to show you guys that you don't even have to download the GeForce app. You can just play it directly from the web browser. Chromium web browser is what's going to work best here. I did try it on Firefox, and the gaming looked a little bit horrible on Firefox. It works better with Chromium. Chromium or Brave are going to work. You just have to make sure you have that user agent extension installed. What? So you can see here, yeah, it's working, and it's working well. All right, you guys, this is just a quick video for all you guys that are having issues with the mouse because you're trying to use it in the virtual machine. Just open up the Chromium browser, go to GeForce Now, log in, and go to your game, and then you can use it there. All right, you guys. All right, you guys, just a quick video, and I'm out.